Changing your payout method on Upwork Enterprise is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your Upwork account. Access your Upwork Enterprise account by entering your credentials on the Upwork website. Ensure you are logged in to make any changes to your payout settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings menu. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on your profile picture or name to reveal the drop-down menu, then select Settings. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Settings menu, look for the Payment Methods option. Click on this to view your current payout methods and any available options for adding or changing them. Step 4. Add or edit payout method. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Upwork to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new payout information or making edits, ensure you save your changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your updated payout method. Once you have completed these steps, your payout method will be updated. Make sure to double-check your information for accuracy to avoid any issues with future payments.